Got a ton of video ideas bouncing around in your head or scattered across notebooks, apps, and sticky notes? It's easy to lose track of what to film, what's in progress, or what's already been posted. That's where a simple Google Sheets tracker can save your sanity. Before we dive in, hit like and subscribe. We're all about streamlining your YouTube workflow. Step 1. Create a new Google Sheet. Go to Google Sheets and start with a blank document. Name it something like Video Content Tracker. In row 1, create these headers: Idea, Status, Idea, Scripted, Filming, Editing, Posted, Category, Date Planned, Notes. Step 2. Color code with drop-down menus. Highlight the status column, click Data, Data Validation, and create a drop-down list with those statuses. Add conditional formatting so each status has a different color. For example, green for posted, yellow for editing, etc. This gives you a visual overview at a glance. Step 3. Make it collaborative. If you work with a team or just want to stay organized across devices, share the sheet with your Google account or team members. You can even add filters, sort by date, or link ideas directly to your script documents or thumbnails. If this helped you get organized, drop a like and subscribe. We've got more creator tools and templates coming soon. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.